Hey everybody, it's Adam Revere again, and on this video we're going to be touching base on our slap and also what's referred to as a half pop and sometimes a sec, and also referred to as our other tech tone. So first off, we're going to start off with our half pop. This is used a great deal in Middle Eastern rhythms. So instead of a tech on the rim, we're doing this half pop. Now, to get that sound with this, you're literally rolling your fingers, starting from your pinky all the way to your index finger. And for me being Indiana, you're milking a cow backwards. So with this, treat it just like you're doing your doom. You got your palm nice and relaxed, right around the top rim. And now you're gonna just kind of squeeze in your hand a little bit like you wanna grab the head, but you want your fingers loose. You're literally gonna just use your wrist and then follow with your pinky, ring, middle, and index. So in slow motion, and this is a very relaxed tone. You don't want to try to press through the head. You know, it's not like just like, where's my money? No, just nice and relaxed, follow through, and just let the pads of your fingertips hit and relax on the head. So this is where you get, and you probably saw some of the other videos, me using this for my tech tone instead of being up here. So the skeleton or the maksum. This tone, and again, it's like a silent pop. So this gives a little bit more accent to what the skeletal rhythm is. So it doesn't get lost if you're playing a lot of tacks, you know. This has a more distinct sound. No, without adding a lot of punch or pressure, but it definitely adds a different, more intense dynamic. Now, remember, so this, nice and relaxed. And if anything kind of help you to achieve that, if you feel like you're not, you know, if you're trying to come down square and you're just kind of getting just like a clapping sound, you want to roll. And an easy way to achieve that as well is to tilt your hand. Have your pinky lead. So that way your fingers will just, you know, you don't have to go parallel to the ground and come here. Just a slight angle, not even, you know, less than a 45. Just having your pinky closer to help you get that roll, to get this sec or this half pop. Now you do the same type of technique to achieve the pop, your slap. Now, how I was originally taught, the slap is actually done with just these three fingers. The index finger is not involved. However, I've seen people to where just naturally stick their index finger like pointing like away from their body, get a great pop. And I've seen some people that have all fingers down, get a great pop. I didn't achieve that. But again, a lot of people's finger lengths and heights are completely different. So you might want to follow through with your index finger. If you get a pop, stick with it. Because once you pop, you don't want to stop. So the more traditional way in terms of more like Arabic or Egyptian is just using your bottom three fingers. So with this, you're going to use your wrist like a whip. So as you come back, you want to be nice and relaxed. But as you move forward, you're going to move faster. So you're literally doing this. You're doing the prom queen fight. That is the motion that you want to do. Nice and loose wrist. Because as I come up, it's like I just need a little bit of momentum for my arm just to get my hand and my wrist back. But as I come down, you just want the fury of 1,000 suns coming at the head. But again, not a lot of muscle, just speed. Just worry about your technique and hand position, and you'll get a great pop. Again, you don't have to muscle it or feel like you have to want to drive through the head. Just, it's nice and light. You don't want to muscle, you don't want to have tension in your arm, your entire arm or shoulder, just be like, no, just nice and relaxed. This shouldn't take a lot of effort. And take time as you build up, just getting a nice solid half pop. Just a little bit more speed to get that really intense pop. But again, I'm just moving fast. I'm not muscling it. Just a nice, quick, jerky reaction to get that pop. So so to review, we have our half pop, rolling the fingers, you're in Indiana, milking a cow backwards. And if needs be to help you achieve that, or you feel like you're just not getting it, lean your hand out by an angle. To achieve that sound. And then when you do the slap, again, traditional way is these 3 fingers, but same concept. You're still kind of just moving those in quickly, and that will help you get a pop. And again, nice and quick. It's not muscle. Nice and loose. And it's just like, no, that was my crown. All right, so nice and loose. Okay? So, hope these helped you out. And stay tuned for more videos as we go more into detail into rhythm and, of course, the ever infamous Turkish split hand technique. So, thanks for watching, and see you again soon.